Hello students, today I am going to start a new unit called coordination chemistry. So before going to the topic, you should know some important terms which are related to this topic. Okay, firstly, inorganic molecule. So what is meant by inorganic molecule? A molecule formed by the combination of cation and anion is called inorganic molecule. Best examples you can give are salts: sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminium chloride, NaCl, MgCl2 and AlCl3. So whenever we are adding these salts to water, they get dissociated into cation and anion. Best example I can give you are daily eating salt, NaCl, sodium chloride. When you are adding to water, it breaks into Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, so we are getting cation and anion by the dissociation of inorganic molecule. So let us come to the topic of cation. A cation is positively charged species formed by the loss of electrons. So we know one thing, that in periodic table every element tries to lose or gain electrons to attain stability. Okay, that means they'll try to attain the noble gas configuration. You know, the noble gases are zero group elements. Okay, that is nothing but helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So every element tries to lose or gain electrons to attain the stability, that is a noble gas configuration. So sodium atomic number 11, it has 11 electrons. On losing one electron, it gets 10 electrons, that is a nearest noble gas configuration of neon. So Na, on losing one electron, it is forming Na plus, so it has only 10 electrons. So it attains stability by getting neon gas configuration. So now coming to the cations classification. Cations are classified into two types: monoatomic cation, homopolyatomic cation. Monoatomic cation, it contains a single element. Otherwise it contains atoms of single element. Example I can give you: Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al plus 3. In all these examples you can see only one atom is present. Okay, next coming to homopolyatomic molecule. It contains the atoms of same element. Same atom can be present many times. Example I can give you: Hg2 2 plus, Hg present 2 times. So it is a homopolyatomic cation. Next, coming to the anions. Okay, anions are negatively charged species formed by the gain of electrons. Okay, so best example I can give you: Cl minus, F minus, Br minus and I minus. Chlorine is atomic number 17. It has 17 electrons. If it gains one electron, it becomes argon. Okay, that is 18 electrons. Okay, you can see the configuration of chlorine. On gaining one electron from sodium, it forms argon. So every element tries to attain the stability by gaining noble gas configuration.